Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your homemade carrot butter for your glowing skin, for your hair. Just mention it, for your flawless skin, guys. So if you want to know the making of this body butter, if you want to know how I made this carrot body butter, please continue watching. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that bell icon. In that way, you get instant notifications whenever I upload any video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye lovelies. So my lovelies, inside my wok I have a very clean water, and I'm going to go ahead and boil this water and put it aside. So moving on, I have organic virgin coconut oil. So I got this from Costco. Feel free to get any organic virgin coconut oil of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop a full spoon of this coconut oil and put it inside this bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the next process.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, set myself.
So inside my wok I have my boiled water, and I'm going to go ahead and place this coconut oil, and I'll keep it to melt, and then I'll come back to it. So moving on, I have about 3 carrots, and I'm going to go ahead and scrape the back, and I'm going to go ahead and grate it, and then I'll show you the next process. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, this is how our coconut oil looks. So as you can see, it has fully dissolved. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my carrots inside the pot, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer all this oil inside the pot as well, and then I'll show you the next step.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, set myself. But this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you.
So after about 15 to 20 minutes, this is how our carrot oil looks. So as you can see how it's boiling beautifully. As you can see how the oil looks, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it to cook about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to transfer this inside our sieve. So here I'm going to go ahead and sieve this carrot oil. You want to make sure you do this this part carefully. So as you can see, I'm pressing this beautifully. You don't want to do this too much, but yeah, this is how it should be looking. So now I'm going to go ahead and add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil in your carrot butter is so good. It helps to lighten dark spots. It's very beneficial. It reduces UV damage to the skin. Even with your hair, vitamin E oil may help to support a healthy scalp and hair, and it also has a natural antioxidant effect, and this will assist with maintaining hair growth. I'm going to go ahead and place this in my fridge. So I'm going to leave it for about an hour or two. You don't have to cover with foil if you don't want. So I'm going to leave this. So I'm supposed to leave this for an hour or two, but I left this for longer than that. Like I left it till morning because I didn't want to wake my family up in the night trying to blend this. I know the noise and all that, so I left it. So but I will tell you, it served to my advantage. So this is me trying to blend this, but it wasn't working, so I have to use my fork to see if I can, you know, break this into chunks. So before I do this is hard, don't do this please, but even if this happens, this is how you should do it. So I managed to break this. I had to use, you can see me cutting it. You can see me like all I was just trying to get this to a smaller chunk so it will be easy for me to blend, but finally I managed to do that. Oh, I can't wait to show you the outcome of this body butter. Like this body butter came out beautifully. Some people make body butter and it looks so soft, and it looks so watery, but this one turned out beautifully and thick. So this gave me an advantage, which is it made this body butter to be thick. How thick is looking, you can see how thick it is. So this is to my advantage. Like you can see how beautiful, like this looks like fufu, you know. This body butter, it looks so beautiful, like it's so good. So yeah, so this is the advantage I would say it gave me, but it was very hard to crack. So after that, I went ahead as well and used my mixer. I want to mix everything. I want to make sure it's so good. Like this body butter looks so good, guys. Like, can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see, like, this is so beautiful. Like this body butter is so good. So that is it, my lovely.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly.
Make sure your jar is well clean and dry. Is airtight jar. So as you can see, I'm transferring this body butter into this jar, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything inside this jar, and I'm going to show you how this looks on my skin. Like it's so moisturized. It's so beautiful. Like carrot butter and its benefits, like it's so good. So you can research this if you want. Carrot butter helps by boosting blood circulation to the scalp if you want to use it for your hair. Carrot butter again could also serve to keep your hair moisturized and healthy from roots to your tip, like from the root to tip of your hair. Again, coming to the skin, carrot butter is so good in vitamin A and E. It also helps to heal dry, chapped or cracked skin. Like it makes your skin moisturized and beautiful. And again, carrot butter promotes silky soft hair. It prevents moisture loss and also adds elasticity, and also provides sparkle and shine. Like it's so good. Carrot butter to your skin, to your hair. Like
What you have found, I'm a rose.
this carrot butter moisturizes the skin. It promotes glowing skin. It clears hyperpigmentation. Above all, it is so beautiful. Like if you have dry skin, this carrot butter can moisturize your skin really well. So my lovelies, you can store this in a cool dark place, and your carrot butter can keep up to 3 good months. And I'm going to show you how this looks after 2 whole weeks. I made it. You can see how it's looking. I'm going to open this jar and apply it again on my skin, and then you can see for yourself how beautiful, how moisturized my skin looks. It's so amazing. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all so much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on your bell icon so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye lovelies.